my channel CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss the topic differential equation. This is the most important topic in the board exams. Okay. First of all, what is differential equations? Differential equations. First, the definition of differential equations. In differential equations, an equation which involving and independent variables, dependent variables, and a constants. Okay. And the independent, what is first of all dependent variable and independent variable? Firstly, y is the function of suppose f of x. Okay. Here, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Okay. But in case of differential equations, there is the functions of y is the function of f of x here. So here this dy by dx equals to f of x here. Okay. This is the derivative parts. But I have discussed about the topic differential equation. What is differential equations? Okay. And firstly we know that what is equations. An equation which has involving a variables and equals to of constant, some constant factor. Okay. So I have discussed the differential equations. Differential equation means an equation which involving an independent variable, dependent variable, and constant. Here, in the independent variable with respect to the dependent variables, okay, that is the differential equations. Okay. So differential. I have some examples of differential equations. Okay. So first of all, suppose dy by dx equals to cos of x. Here is the derivative part dy by dx. Is it the differential part? Y is the functions. Here derivative with respect to of x. So dy by dx equals to cos x. Okay. Here is the derivative is d by dx. Okay. Derivative is d by dx. So here dependent variable is y, independent variable is x is the form of, so d by dx. It is differential part, so that it is a differential equations or dy by dx. Another example, plus y equals to suppose 5. That is a differential equations of examples. There are two types of differential equations. There are categories of differential equation are two types. Firstly, ordinary differential equations. Another part is partial differential equations. Okay. But I have discussed the topic differential equation, the ordinary differential equation. This part is here, not in the plus 2 level. So in the higher level, this part. Okay, contents. Now, in differential equations, most important topic is two short question or any exams order and degree of a differential. That is the most important part. Okay, what is order and what is degree? Okay, differential. First of all, we know what is differential equation. Alright, in differential order, first of all, order and any differential equation which has highest order derivative present in the differential equations, so that is the order. For example, suppose dy by dx plus y by x equals to e to power x suppose. That is differential equations. Okay. Here another part is suppose d2y by dx2 plus or equals to y plus 5 divided by d2y by dx2 in the root over. Okay. First of all, this is the two examples. I have another definition is the degree. Then compare what is degree, what is error. Okay. In the differential equations, which highest order derivative present is order is given out. Okay. So in the highest order derivative, is the power is known as the degree. Okay. So what is the order in these two equations? In these two equations, first equation is dy by dx plus y by x equals to e to power of x. Okay. So here node is here. Now degree and order node is here. Firstly, differential equation is the polynomial form. It is a positive integer, not a negative integer part. Okay. Alright. So in the first equations, what is order? In first equation number, equation 1, order. What is order? And degree. Okay. What is order and degree? Alright. In the equation 1, so here 1 derivative part is present here, that is dy by dx plus of y of x equals to this part. So it is the 1 degree derivative part or differential part. So here derivative is 1, so order is first order derivative. Okay, that is the order. Okay. Degree. Here degree is in the differential equations we have find out the order. So here the exponent power or power form is the here 1 dy by dx, the power is 1, so degree is also 1. Okay. In equation 2, here I have not found order. Order is easily calculated, but it is not a polynomial form because that is the root over part. It is not a. It is a fraction part. That means 1 by 2 part. So convert this part in the polynomial form firstly. Okay. Now just solve this part firstly, then find out the order and degree. First, d2y by dx2 equals to y plus of 5 divided by d2y by dx2 in the root over vector. First solve this part. Now this value implies that d2y by dx2 here in the left hand side, d2y by dx2, here power is 1 by 2 equals to y plus 5, or this implies d2y by dx2, the power 1 plus half is 3 by 2 equals to y plus 5. Firstly, convert this part in the polynomial form because 3 by 2 is a fraction part. Here we have easily find out the order but not easily find out the degree because it is not a polynomial form. So that convert this part in the polynomial form firstly, or it is a fraction parts. Okay. So d2y by dx2 3 by 2 in the squaring both sides equals to y plus 5 in the whole square. Okay, alright. Now this value implies, this value is 2 is cancel out now, d2y by dx2 of 3 equals to y plus 5 whole square. Here I will find out order and degree. Okay. Here only one derivative part is the given differential equation, so that here derivative part is d2, so order is 2 here. In the order of highest power, the highest, the degree is 3 now. Okay, alright. Next, most important topic in the board examination, formation of differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. Formation of differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. Okay. So firstly, the given example. Suppose y is a function of a sec x. Y is a function of a sec x. Formation of differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. We have to clearly know about that the question is what are the constant present in the questions. Firstly, y is equal to a is a constant here sec x. Okay. So given question, first equation is right now. Write the given factor. Firstly choose one constant, the derivative, then one times only because your constant is 1. Okay. Y is a function of x, that means dy by dx equals to here a sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Okay, alright. Now this is the equation 2. Your question is by elimination or eliminating the arbitrary constant. Here arbitrary constant is eliminated now. We operate all the algebra, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division factor. Okay. So now here how to eliminate the arbitrary constant. Okay. So here dividing equation 2 by 1, that means dy by dx divided by y equals to a sec x into 10x divided by a sec x. Try to eliminate the arbitrary constant. Other function is not. Okay. So here a sec x cancel out. So dy by dx by y equals to here tan x. Now this implies dy by dx equals to y tan x. That is a differential equation. Your question is elimination of arbitrary constant, formation of differential equation. Okay. That is a differential equation now. Okay. And another question is suppose y equals to a sin x plus b cos x. A sin x plus b cos x. The given is equation number 1. Here y is a function of x. Okay, alright. But here two constants are there. A is a constant, another is b constant. Okay. So firstly derivative, first this equation dy by dx equals to here a sin x derivative cos x, a cos x now. B is a constant factor, cos x derivative minus sin x, that means plus and minus, there is minus b of sin x. Then check these two equations, a sin x, a cos x, not cancel it. Okay. Again derivative, because two constants are there, again derivative of equation number 2. Okay. So again d by dx of dy by dx equals to a is a constant, cos x derivative is minus sin x, so minus a sin x, minus b sin x, b is a constant, sin x derivative cos x, b cos x. Equation number, this. Now this implies d2y by dx2 equals to a sin x minus b cos x. Now comparing these three equations, which is negligence of or neglected the constant factor. First factor, equation 1 is a sin x, a minus a sin x. So addition is that these two factors cancel out. Plus b cos x minus b cos x. So adding equation 1 and 3, then we get so d2y by dx2 plus of y equals to a sin x plus b cos x minus a sin x minus b cos x. Cancel these two factors. So value is here now d2y by dx2 plus of y equals to 0. That is the differential equations. Okay. Today I have discussed about the topic differential equations by the form of past definitions of differential equations, then order and degree, another one is formation of differential equations. Okay. First of all, like my video and share and comments my channels. Any problem or any doubt, so share my channels. Then I come to next video, try my best level and another beta put here. Thank you.